This week is National Rehabilitation Awareness Week. Now, that recognizes the outstanding services provided by rehabilitation professionals. The goal is really to express appreciation for those experts who work as physical, occupational, and speech therapists, as well as physical medicine and rehab doctors. Together, this team of professionals work together to restore a patient's function throughout their care journey. And here to tell us via Zoom more about it, we've got Marcy Hurlbut. She's Corewell Health Senior Director of Rehabilitation Services. Good morning, Marcy.
Good morning.
So tell us, let's start with why this is important. Rehabilitation. Why do we need a whole week to raise awareness for this?
Yeah, well, first, thank you for the opportunity to be here today. But Rehab Week is really a time to pause and recognize and celebrate Corewell Health 750 plus rehab experts who provide really exceptional and compassionate care across West Michigan. And today, I just want to take the opportunity to extend, on behalf of Corewell Health, a sincere gratitude to every hardworking rehab team member.
Absolutely. And as I mentioned, there are a lot of different occupations under this umbrella. Can you tell us a little bit more about the care that Corewell Health specifically provides?
Absolutely. Rehabilitation is really a comprehensive process that focuses on helping individuals to restore and optimize their physical, cognitive, and daily ability and function after either an accident, an injury, an illness, or a new disability. And despite of those limitations that a patient may face, our physical therapists, occupational therapists, and speech therapists really inspire, push, and actually empower our patients to achieve the top of their functional and cognitive ability so that every individual can really live their best, most fulfilling life.
And of course, when I hear the words physical therapy or occupational therapy, I'm thinking of like an outpatient setting, but this care is provided in all sorts of different settings, right?
That's right. While Corewell Health is the largest outpatient rehab provider in West Michigan, our services are really comprehensive and they care for patients wherever they may be in their care journey. We offer rehab for patients from birth to 100 plus years old across multiple settings in West Michigan, and that includes Corewell Health hospitals and within the convenience of a patient's home across all 13 counties we serve. We also deliver that physical, occupational, and speech therapy within 5 skilled nursing facilities, a 42-bed inpatient acute rehab unit, and 38 outpatient locations. In addition, our rehab team members are really actively involved in proactively sustaining the health and wellness of our community's athletes through really strong partnerships we've created with our local high schools, university, and even the Grand Rapids Gold professional basketball team. We're also committed to really serving those aging adults like myself who want to continue to be active as they age. And our therapists have the expertise to complete running, biking, golf swing analysis to really optimize that aging adult performance, as well as keep us really healthy and well as we explore maybe a new sport such as pickleball.
Oh, both. You mentioned pickleball. Now I'm in. Oh, wait, listen. Me and my father-in-law. So when we talk about this approach, we're really talking about you're speaking of a comprehensive, holistic approach from birth all the way, from start to finish, right?
Right.
All right. Absolutely. So if people want to find out more information, Marcy, about Corewell Health's rehabilitation services, I'm sure you've got a website. I'm sure you've got a lot of information that people watching this right now could go see.
Absolutely. You can go to www.spectrumhealth.org/services/rehabilitation. Whether you're, go ahead.
That's a really long link, Marcy. We'll get that up at fox17morningmix.com as well. Please continue.
Yeah, absolutely. Our rehab team really intently listens basically to design an individualized program to provide patients with the right tools, training, and equipment and tips really so they can achieve and return them to the best life possible so they can return to those activities they love and enjoy, like your father-in-law and pickleball. And so what I really I know, right? What I really love about our rehab team is that they actually work. Their work is really directly connected to the meaning of our new name, Corewell Health, because we at the core of and foundation of what we do in rehab is really the strong commitment and focus on that whole person. And so because of this, we collaborate directly with our patients to optimize their ability to live their healthiest, best life with the abilities that they've been given. And our therapists do this with, I would say, tremendous investment and heart. And it provides those patients that we serve with hope. It promotes movement and activity. And in fact, in rehab, we really refer to movement as medicine. Whether you're healthy and well or recovering from an injury, movement really promotes our overall health and wellness. And that's really what rehab's about.
And Marcy, we want to join you in saying thank you and expressing our gratitude as well to those professionals out there in the rehabilitation field. If you want more information, again, we will have the link on your screen, yes, the one with all the slashes, at fox17morningmix.com.